Happy morning, children. Welcome to the mathematics class for 5th standard ICSE. Today we are going to continue the unit. Let us go to the exercise now. Today's topic is equivalent fraction. Here they given in your book page number 84. Look at that page, dear. So we have a equivalent fraction, that is 0.1, 0.10, 0.100. So when we are comparing the place values, so 0.1, which is nothing but 1/10, 0.10, that is 100th place we have a 10, and 0.100, that is 1000th. So in all the decimals written have been, the values are equal. 0.1 equal to 0.10 equal to 0.100. Decimal number that not have the value are called equivalent decimals. Next topic is like and the unlike decimals. So when we compare the equivalent of this number, we can get the like or unlike decimals. Look at the place values of the number after the decimal point. So if it is 10th place or 100th place and 1000th place, if all the numbers are in equal, it will be a like fraction. Otherwise, it is an unlike fraction. Coming to the exercise 6.5 in page number 85. First one is write equivalent fraction. So we are going to write the place values which should be equal. Then the 10th place and the 100th place and the 1000th place. First sum 0.7 equal to 0.70 equal to 0.700. The place values are changing, but the values cannot be changed. So which is equal to equivalent fraction. Number 2, 1.5 equal to 1.50 equal to 1.500. Next room letter, tick the group in the like decimals. Look at that place values of after the decimal. First one is 8.4, 8.41, 8.1. So all are unlike decimals because the place values are indifferent. And second one is 1.61, 24.30, 1.67. All the place values are 100th place value, so it is an unlike fraction. Put a tick. Third one is 7.145, 8.954. So both the numbers have a decimals of a 10,000th place values, so it is a like decimals. Next, see Roman letter. Convert unlike decimal to the like decimals. So first one is 8.4, 8.41. So like decimals should be equal to the place value. So first number is 8.40, 8.41. If we are adding the zeros after the decimals, the value should not change. So we can add after the decimal to make it as a decimal like one. Okay, second one is 1.61, 24.3, 1.678. So the first number has a 2 decimal value, second number has a 1 decimal value, and third one is a 3 decimal value, that is 1000th place. So we need to make it as a equivalent by 1000th place. So we can add zeros after the decimals. So 1.61, you can add 1 0. 24.3, you can add 2 zeros. 1.678, already 1000th place. So now we can make it as a like decimals. Likewise, you can do the remaining sums also. Next topic is about comparing and ordering. So comparing, when we want to compare both the number, it should be the like fraction. Otherwise, you can look at the place values of 10th, 100th and 1000th. Then you compare the both. Here we have a exercise 6.6. Look at that book, page number 87. We have first one is color and compare. First one is 1 and 0.9. 1 means the whole figure was fully colored. 0.9 means that 10 part it has only 9 was colored. So which is bigger one? One whole part is bigger one. And next one is 0.75, 0.007. That is the 100th place. The block was cut it into 100. In that 75 portion was colored, and that block was cut it into 100. In that 7 part was colored. So 75 is greater than 0.7. And next one is B Roman letter. Okay, compare the number. Okay, look at the place values first, children. For first thing, when you compare, you can see the whole number, which is easy for us to compare, and compare with the next place values. For example, first sum is 2.35, 2.36. So which is bigger one? In that place value 2.35 is smaller than 2.36. Second was 0.3, 0.2. So in that 0.3 is greater than 0.2. 10th place value, it has a 3 value and it has a 2 value. Next one, the fourth one is 5.3, 5.4. So in that 5.4 is the greatest number. Next one is 16.01, 16.07. So 16.07 is the greater one. So you can compare the place value of this number. Next to C Roman letter, write in the ascending order. So ascending order is nothing but making it to smallest number to biggest number. So first thing you can make it into the equivalent fraction, that is the comparison of a number. We can do it in an easy manner. First one is the place value is 1.1, 1.01, 1.11, 1.11. So we can make it into like fractions 1.10, 1.01, 0.11, 1.11. Now you make it as the arranging order. Smallest number is 0.11. Next one is 1.01. Next one is 1.10. Next one is 1.11. So make it as likewise we can do the ordering. Same thing, descending order also. First thing make it into like fractions, like decimals. Then you make it in the descending order. First one is 6.4 is become 6.400, 6.46 make it into 6.460, 0.646. Next one is 4.660. So all the place values become thousandth. Now you can change it into descending order. The biggest one is 6.460. Next one is 6.400, 4.660, 0.646. Next exercise is 6.7 in book page number 88. Addition. Addition of a number is which is very easy. Look at the decimal point, children. Before that we should start from the decimals values from the thousandth place, which is the highest one. Here we have 2.6, 4.1. Add the decimals. 6 plus 1, 7. 2. Then after that you have to put a decimal point, then 2 plus 4. Start from the decimals from right to the left in same order what we are doing the addition. And next one is 6.3, 2.78. The place values of a 100th place is missing in the first number 6.3. You can put a 0, otherwise add it as it is. The 100th place is 8. 10th place is 3 plus 7, 10, 0, and 1 should be carried over in the ones place. 1 plus 6 plus 2, it is 9. So second B Roman letter is arrange in column and add. So similarly you are going to write that number in the CW and do the addition. Next exercise 6.8 page number 89, we have word problems. First one is, on a certain day Mr. Kirmani drove 36.8 km before the lunch and 12.9 km after the lunch. How far did it drive that day? That's a question. So distance drew before the lunch is equal to 36.8 kilometer. Distance drew after the lunch is equal to 12.9 kilometer. This, when we are adding the number, you have to place the decimals in the same order. So total distance is 49.7 kilometer. Coming to the second question, a tennis racket is on the sales of rupees 650.75. A box of 6 balls cost is rupees 110.50 in the same sale. So how much is the both the cost? So we need to do the addition. Cost of a tennis racket is equal to rupees 650.75. The cost of a box of 6 balls is equal to rupees 110.50. The total cost is, add the decimals, keep the decimal in the same order and do the addition, rupees 761.25. The third question is, in a long jump competitions, Mohan jumped a distance of 1.2 meter, 0.97 meter and 1.3 meter. What is the total distance he covered? So distance covered in a first jump, distance covered in second jump and distance covered in a third jump. You can arrange the number, keep the decimal point in the same order, then you do the addition. So the total distance he covered is equal to 3.47 meter. That's it, children. Today's class is over. We'll see next topic in the next section. Thank you.